Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can remove this short taskbar options on your Windows 11 home screen. See here at the bottom right, you'll see some taskbar icons, right? Icons or shortcuts, you can say. How you can remove if you don't want. See here right now, there is OneDrive personal icon available here. If I want to remove this, what you can do is just right click here on the taskbar menu and click on taskbar settings. This will open the taskbar. See here, not only here at the bottom right, you can turn off the search box here. If you say something like hide, this gets hide. Okay, yeah, no, maybe I'll be using the same one. Okay, search box, yes, this is fine. And task view, okay. Widgets in the sense, see here this left side, right? When I click on this, the weather information or the news, whatever it may be, for few people there will be news also will be shown here. Where is this news feed? Yeah, see here it is. If it is turned on, right, yeah, now you'll see the news feed. So if you don't want this feed to be appear, you can just disable the widget, so nothing will be appearing in the bottom left. So for now I'll be just enabling this. I want the weather here, so I'm just enabling. And system tray icons, touchpad, okay, it will be available in other system trays. See here, if I want to hide this drop up menu, so I can just turn off this so that you won't see that more options here. So I'll be enabling it on. And see here, Microsoft OneDrive is available, right? If I disable this, that option gets removed. So in this way you can enable or disable few options. See, for example, I can enable Google Chrome here and disable them. Yeah, likewise, see here, I just turned on the battery percentage icon, right? See here, usually when I hover on the battery symbol, the battery percentage will show, right? Without hovering this, I can just keep always on the battery percentage number here. Likewise, you can just enable or disable whichever you want. Okay, that is absolutely up to you. So in this way you can enable or disable taskbar icon items on your Windows 11 computer. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.